There he is. Ate it right off surface, bud. Just like a Mon River fish. He's all wrapped up.